Yes, welcome to the part 2 of the same single video. If you have not gone through the part 1, please go to part 1 or then whatever you are seeing here, it is going to be some foreign language or alien language, the language of Mars or Venus, right? In the part 1, we have created Apex remote class. Now in this part 2, let us use it on FlexCode or OmniScript, right? Let us go to okay. Fine. Let's try to create a flex code. Give some name. Uh, okay, some name you give. It's not going to be child code. And using what's it? Uh, right. Then step 2, select the data source type. Right. We have Apex remote. Select it. Move next. It is asking remote class. Once you start typing, it will prompt you. Various names are there, right? Okay. So this is the class we have created. How it can be seen here? Because this class is implementing that particular interface. Okay. Then remote method. What is the remote method name that you have given? Give accounts or what it is asking? The flex card. The flex card is asking give accounts. Okay, right. Give accounts. Check once again. Okay. GIVG lowercase a uppercase. Okay. So since everything is in JSON notes here, JSON notations here, so we have to be very careful with this, or else we have to see that whatever the user is entering, please convert it into the lowercase in the Apex and follow. So that all we consider later. We are making it very clear, straightforward, right? And any other things are there, right? Then is this code sending any inputs? We will add those key value pair over here. That is input mapping. So we have taken some SHA IP inputs, right? So these parameters will be appended to that. And like that, any options map are there. Okay, I am not touching anything. So the user, I mean here in the velocity, the class being called is this one, method is this one, done. Go next. Then it's saying configure. So what is the result JSON path? Okay, yeah, you have given some result, right? Automatically that will be there. Just otherwise wait. Simply click on fetch. What it is saying in the table, yeah, it will come in the table. Just wait because JSON to be formatted into the data table and it will be giving as a data table. It will come, but JSON you have got. What is the name of the map? I mean the JSON output path, the result JSON output path, SHA result, right? SHA result. So this is the variable you have created in your Apex class. It's there, and what it has given you. So these are the things given you. Blah 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 blah. Some 10 or 100, some limit you have put. Okay. This is account type, and this ID is available at this URL. And these are the fields we have asked. Blah 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 blah. ID, name, website, writing, industry, type, blah blah. Okay, right. Done. Happy with this one? Save it. Okay. Even we configure later also. Once you have taken any other data source type, you can change it also. You go to the setup part. Okay, I'm not going to the beginner's tutorial again. Well, now what do you have here? Yeah, your UI is here. Yeah, put blocks, output text, whatever you want to put. Then it is your flex card. You want to use independent fields, you can use independent fields. Here actually you should receive the fields also, right? You should receive the fields also. Allow some time, you will get it. Right. So these are the fields you have got now. Yeah, allow some time, it will be forming as a table also. These are the fields in order you have requested: ID, name, website, blah 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 blah. Okay, fine. Okay, it's there. Then you have got the fields, a separate fields also. Okay, don't worry, because lightning, no, it is a known thing. Lightning, you can drag and drop in your a rich text field or other separate thing, that is also okay. You can put name inside that. Industry. Rating, website, blah, blah, whatever you want to put. I'm putting the three fields as of now. Okay, right. So like this, you can put this one, or else you can have directly data table also in the output component. Outputs, display components, you have data table. You want to take in another block or same. Okay. So what are the fields? It has got IDs, their name, website, blah 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 blah. That right. Okay. Have a preview. So always our eyes are going to be on this as well as on this. Okay, right. So the context is not these things, only how to create a Apex class and use it. So you will go and have, so object one, what is the blah 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 blah. Okay, fine. Uh, okay. So how many records you have fetched, those many repeats are taking place here, right? Those many repeats are taking place. What you do, you go to the repeater and stop the repeater. Go to the setup, and in the repeater, stop it. Right. Because I'm using data table, right? Only if I am using this part compulsory, the repeater has to be there, right? Well, or else let me remove this and remove the data table. The repeater on. Okay, so this velocity boon for the non-coders, whoever are interested pointing and clicking, this is a boon for them, right? And sometimes very rare situations, because data raptors are there, and above that integration procedures are there. Beyond this, generally requirement won't be there. If at all it's there, yeah, that you can achieve through this method. And you need not worry if you are a pointing and clicker. You tell your programming guy, the programmers of your team, this is what I want. They will create a class for you. Just what you have to tell this is the interface. So this is the interface to be implemented. That much stuff just give them. They understand the rest of the thing, and it should implement that invoke method and what is the constructor, right? So this is the communication between you and programming people. So the programming people is creating this for you. Where is it? Class, right? This class for you, this controller for you, and you are using it on your UI. Good. So simple thing we have put, and we have taken the care that the same with case sensitivity the user asked, and you appended the result variable over there, right? Good. And inshallah, we will go to the some depth of the concept, right? So let the user give some input parameters, and let us use those input parameters in our Apex controller. Well, and also not only giving accounts, leads, faculties, managers, employees. Let us also achieve some custom logic, maybe EMA calculator, BMA calculator, or full name, or add two numbers, right? Actually, this stuff we don't do in our projects, but you get grip, you get confidence, you get hands-on, right? Then part 2 is fine, good. In the next part, right? I'm not saying in the next video. In the YouTube language, it may be a video 1, video 2, video 3, but for you, it is single video divided into part 1, part 2, part 3. Right. Let's meet in part 3. Good. And apart from this, by the way, I'm going to create one Udemy tutorial. Okay, Udemy. So our Lightning components development tutorial was a very big success, and from India. So from India, it was a pioneer to not to boast myself, right? To create it, and where again I'm not comparing. There were tutorials $5, so which was priced at $5, but my tutorial $200 without any compromise. Still, our purchases were high at that time when the lightning was in boom. Okay, now also it is lightning only. So now velocity is the need of the thing. Really, it's a boon. Velocity is a boon, not only for pointing and clicking guys, even for programmers also. When there is a like jantar mantar type of thing, why should you go for complex type of programming or coding, right? Let's understand that jantar mantar, right? Easy, easy way of thing, simple way of thing. Good. So please give me your comments. What topics can be added to the regular curriculum of Velocity so that that can be helpful for you? I'm expecting your comments. You have my email ID online.sfdc@gmail.com. Okay, or any other social media. You can write a LinkedIn, Shadi Trainer. In case of LinkedIn, right? On LinkedIn, you have Shadi Trainer, or search for Syed Chan Shah in Google, and yeah, you can connect, and please give me your valuable inputs. So what points we can add to make my course unique? Let me not call it, don't allow me to call it as my tutorial, it is our tutorial. I am also learning along with you in the same tutorial. So please provide your valuable inputs. What points can be added for the velocity? You might have undergone various interview questions, right? So you must be having some idea that is going to be beneficial for the other people. Like this, you can acquire some punya in India, good credits in celestial bank account, right? In celestial bank account, like we have credits in this traditional bank accounts. We have some rupees, dollars, pounds, like that. We have celestial bank accounts over there in the heaven. Whatever the good works, good deeds we do, those many credits will be added. So whatever is going to be beneficial for others through you, yeah, that will be good rewarding for you. Okay, so please give your valuable inputs, and inshallah, in any very near future, you will be seeing my Velocity tutorial on Udemy, Tutorials Point, Pact Publishing, yeah, other LMS platforms, e-learning platforms. Please bless me, give your blessings, pass on your well wishes, right? I am the seeker of your blessings and well wishes, right? Let's meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye. Take care.